Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a broken cord in the recoil start from this snowblower, but it's also similar like a lot of those small engines. As you can see, the cord is broken, it is inside, and we have to take it out the part and try to fix it up. We have to remove this screw, and another one is in the bottom, as you can see right here, with a 1/4-inch wrench or a screwdriver if you have some. Sometimes it's a stock, like maybe you can use like WD-40 to make it easy to remove it. This one is not too hard to take it out. Then I'm gonna lose it, and another one in the bottom. Like this one. Almost all the Tequimus engines is the same recoil. Sometimes happen with the rod is too old, or like when the machine is not going to start, and then you're going to just pull and pull and pull, and the rod is broken. Okay, you can take it out like that, and you can see the rope is in there. Okay, and now with our recoil assembly out of the machine, we're gonna proceed to take it out the old cord. You can just move it until you found it. With the pliers, you can just pull it, and you can feel a little resistance about the spring. Pull it, pull it, pull it. And you can use a screwdriver and put it in that way to help you to hold it. So now we can pull the old one, and we can start to put the new one. I usually use the number 4 cord, like this one. And you can compare the long with the old one, so you can put just together. Like that. And you just can leave a little bit more in case you need it. And cut it out. Now use a lighter to burn the ends, like this one, and then the another one. You can buy this kind of cord in the Amazon or in your. Okay, now we have to look it up, the hole, put the new one on it. As you see, it is coming out a little bit, and pull it with the pliers. Now we're gonna make a knot. Very tight. Okay. Now we can check it out, like how many cord we need. And I think it's fine like that. We have to take it out the old piece of cord in there. We're gonna put the handle in the cord, just like that. Make a lot of knot. I think it's fine. The size is fine. The spring is fine. And then cut it out the excess. And now we can install again in the machine. We're ready to put them back again. And sometimes I forget to tell you, like, you have to remember where the screws are. Sometimes you can use a screwdriver and just make a little line and wherever the screws was it. And then we just tie the screws. Like that. And like that. And it's done. Okay, we're gonna try it out. And now it's done. The recoil fits it. Alright, man. Thank you for watching the video, and if you got some questions, you just let me know and I can help you. I help you. Thank you so much. Bye.